Hey guys, it's Chris. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some styling tips if you guys have short legs like me. And it's kind of funny to say it out loud, but I have a long torso and short legs. I am 5'3", and I think my entire life I've collected some tips and some tricks on how to make myself look more proportional, so I'm going to share them with you guys. So the first tip I have for you guys is actually choosing your shoes wisely. So it's common knowledge that heels elongate your legs, but I think this varies. I think sometimes if you pick the wrong heel, it actually does the opposite of what you're trying to go for. So while all heels do give you height, I tend to go for a nude heel. So everyone's definition of a nude heel is different. I think the difference between a black heel and a nude heel is that a black heel does create some contrast between your foot and your leg. But I think the important thing to know here is that nude heels don't cut you off. No matter outfit you're wearing, whatever outfit you're wearing, if you pair it off with a nude heel, it just elongates you, it gives you height, it's so versatile. Alright, I don't know about you, but I definitely can't wear a heel all the time. So something I like to do is wear platform shoes. I think platform shoes do give you height, but also it's casual enough so you can wear them every single day. So some of my favorite platform shoes are the Doc Marten Jaden boots. I literally pair this with everything. It's so versatile. I wear them in the summer, I wear them in the winter, just any season. It works so well. So quick tip, I think a super easy way to make your legs look longer is simply just matching the color of your shoes to your pants. And for my sneakers, I try to go for something that has a chunky sole. Sounds kind of funny, but I know there are sneakers that advertise as platform shoes, but some sneakers, if you look at the sole of it, are a bit thicker than the others. So the ones I like to wear are the white Filas. These aren't advertised as platform, but I realize that they do give me more height than my other white sneakers. And another platform shoe I have are these mules. I think this one's a bit less comfortable than the other ones I mentioned before, but I really love the silhouette of the shoe, but I just think it's so different. It really reminds me of the type of shoe my mom had when I was younger. And yeah, I just love creating outfits with these. Alright, so I love flats. I love them when I was younger. I still love them now. But I think it's really disappointing, at least for me, that I have shorter legs because I just feel like it just kind of doesn't make me look as proportionate as it would when I would wear heels. But either way, when I do want to wear something more comfortable, I tend to go for flats that have a pointed toe. My legs just look a lot more elongated, as it would look if I wear flats with a rounded toe. So when I do occasionally wear flats, I tend to go for shoes with a pointed toe like the one I'm showing you here. These are the ones from Steve Madden. I think they're so incredibly chic. I love pairing them with some casual outfits. Definitely I would wear this when I want to be comfortable. Yeah, definitely if you want to wear flats, go for it. There's nothing wrong with it, but I do recommend getting flats with a pointed toe. Alright, so the next tip I have for you guys is actually high-waisted bottoms. So the thing about high-waisted bottoms is that it really creates that illusion that your waist is higher than it actually is. This creates an illusion of a shorter torso, and as you can see in the outfit on the right, I am using this technique, and in comparison to the outfit on the left, it's a lot more flattering and it makes me look a lot more proportional. So another super easy trick for you guys is actually when you're tying a button-up shirt on top of a jumpsuit or a dress, always tie it a bit higher than your actual waistline So doing this is actually gonna create that illusion of a shorter torso and also longer legs. So the next tip I have for you guys is actually being careful with the length of your pants. So I actually bought these pants during a sale for like $5. I was like super excited, but when I got home and I tried them on, I realized the length of the pants were super unflattering on me. It just makes me look super short as opposed to these jeans. So when I wear it with heels, it just creates that illusion that my legs extend a lot longer than it actually does. So definitely be a lot more careful when you buy bottoms. Kind of paying attention to at what point do your pants need to end to give you the most flattering cut. I think the most flattering length for me is actually a lot longer, so I can wear them with heels or right above my ankle. Alright, so the last tip I have for you guys is making use of vertical stripes. Like, this is perfect for me because I just love stripes as a whole. I think it's one of my favorite patterns to wear, but definitely when I wear vertical stripes, I can definitely see a difference in the way I look. I just look a lot more proportional, and definitely these brandy pants I have are also high-waisted, so they're double the effect of making me look a little more proportional. But definitely get yourself some vertical stripe pants. You're gonna see a difference. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it was useful for you guys, and I post every other Monday, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!